What's up, everybody? Welcome to another video. Right now, guys, if you guys are wondering what is this video about, well, let's take a look at what we got around the house. Alright, so if you guys are like me and you got loads and loads of scrap metal all over your yard, we need to find one place to put it. So this is the plan. Got my buddy over here, Noah. Alright, so we got the tent set up. Alright. We got this to block the sun, and obviously now the sun is not out, so it's cloudy, which is weird. In front of the building, cleared out, because the concrete pad is gonna come all the way up to here, all the way down to the building. And it's gonna be as wide, so they're doing that Monday. They'll move this big container. But that's besides the point. Right now we're gonna make a scrap metal storage bin for all my scrap metal because I got a lot. So let's get to this video. We'll be right back. It never lets me down. Always cranks up every time. We're gonna use this bauer chop saw right here. We're gonna start cutting stuff for our box. If you guys think we should do another trailer, axe throwing trailer, you let me know down in the comments down below if you think I should do another one. Really current customers trying to get me to do another one. Of course, prices change. So I gotta give an updated quote, and I'll run you guys through how to charge as far as the quote.
Hey guys, it's me, Welding. Hey guys, we're gonna make like a scrap bin.
Alright, y'all heard it. Alright, so let's get you some action on over here. Protect it and wear PPE.
Like
Safety first.
Gloves and like shirt like this, and then you be safe. Glasses and water lotion and hat.
Yeah. So yeah, you got it right here and there. So you gotta use your tape measure and see, we'll check your line, right? You ain't gotta mark nothing, but we'll check it. See, 15 inches.
So you use your fingers, you can just use it, and then you can just like.
Alright. Go ahead and mark 15 inches. Yep.
And you can put
Alright. So alright, let everybody know what we just did.
Okay.
On camera. Talk to the camera right there.
So we just did like marking the 15s, like the inches, and then like we're gonna cut them.
Exactly. So we marked 15 inches. That's gonna be how tall the leg is gonna be for this scrap bin.
Yeah.
So right here, so step on this side right here. This is a framing square. Okay.
Yeah, I know what it's called. A framing
Square.
Square.
Alright, so you're gonna take that. You see that little dot that we put? You're gonna take this. You're gonna mark your line.
Oh, okay.
And then you're gonna mark your line. Okay. But like when you make a dot, sometimes what you want to do is you want to draw like a little caret like that. That way it's a little bit more precise. Angle on the YouTube video. That camera is edit video. Alright, ready? See right here, we gotta not let it touch. And as soon as we pull the trigger, see this trigger right here? I push that in, and then we start. Alright, y'all, teaching welding 101. Okay, so this is called a stinger. Okay, you take this, you You see this part that's clean? You open this up and you stick it in there. And you see where that groove is? Where it's a line? You stick that in there. And that's it. It holds it. So when you strike an arc, it's not going to weld. When you strike an arc, you go like that. You flick it and then it starts welding. Helmets are... Alright, so when you put this on, you won't be able to see nothing until I actually start welding. Okay?
Why won't I see anything?
Because it's black, you see? It's pitch black. It's to protect your eyes. You see? Now, one thing you're gonna probably have to do so you can see is climb up here. Okay. That way you can see. I'm gonna start on that far one and you'll be able to see. So this right here, when you put it on, when we get to that point, hold on. Hold it down and I'll get started. You'll start to see it, okay? Alright, here we go. Ready?
Yeah. I see it!
See it?
Yeah! It's the same size?
Yeah. Exactly the same.
Why'd you buy two?
Cause man, I knew you were gonna be wanting to learn how to weld.
Yes.
I knew you like to be outside, so I was like, hey, I'm gonna go ahead and get another helmet so my buddy Noah can learn how to weld. You wanna see what it looks like after you get done welding? Alright, so one thing you gotta remember is, you sit right here. Now, one thing you don't want to do, you don't want to touch that because it's really hot. See? It's hot. It's really hot after you weld. So, I'm going to show you what a weld looks like. Come out here and start welding. I'm more than happy to have you out here watching. This is what I do for a living. When I go to work,
You bring those stuff?
I weld.
Wait,
was a broke man. Now I'm making money, people trying to get with the plan. Hop the board, my 93. I hit the gas and here I be. I'm making money. Yeah, I'm making money. moment I hit the gas, outshot the fire from behind my cab. Ran a red light, sped so fast, about 55 in the 45. Got pulled over, handed my ID. He let me off because he couldn't find nothing on me. Mama and daddy didn't raise a fool, kept me in school. Now I'm grown up with a clean slate, souped up Chevy Cheyenne on the plate. 30-inch tires, that's okay. Rims is only 15-inch. Got a dual exhaust system that make your girlfriend scream. You know what I mean? She's coming from you to me, with a real trooper on the scene. Dose. Looking for the most. People trying to get with me, but they trying to take the most. 10 years ago, I was a broke man. Now I'm making money. People trying to get with the plan. Hopped aboard my 93. I hit the gas and here I be. I'm making money. Yeah, I'm making money. Yeah.
What's up, everybody? So my helper had to go in the house. He was getting a little tired, I believe. So we finished making it. Now we're gonna show you what it looks like. So get done with a project, you got this extra stuff, you don't know what to do with it. What do you do, guys? Well, let's just walk our way over here. Keep walking. Boom. Put it down. Oh wait, we got more stuff that we don't know what to do. Okay, we're gonna keep walking, pick it up. Pick it up. Boom. Lesson of the day, guys, you can build your own scrap bin. We're gonna fill it up with all the scrap that we got, so if any of the boys or the kids want to learn how to weld, we got some stuff for them to weld on. Y'all for watching the video, y'all have a great day, and please like, comment, rate, and subscribe if you're new. Hit the notification bell every time I post. Thank you, bye.